Hi, I'm Cheryl Natasha Jackson Douglas. I've been coming here to Poised Beauty and Beat Salon for approximately 3 years. My personal stylist is Stephanie Hill, the owner and operator of Poised Beauty. I enjoy coming here because all of the ladies here does an amazing job. We have Tasha and Crystal here, and they are like family. They make you feel like family. You can have an open conversation with these young ladies and get your hair done, and what goes on in the salon stays in the salon. And it is one of the most amazing salons I've been to, and I really enjoy coming here. So I really think that this business that the ladies are doing and investing in is amazing. They will make you feel amazing. They will make you look amazing. When you walk out, you're gonna feel amazing. So I really enjoy it. I really do. And I really think that you all would love coming here as well.
Hello, I'm Sabrina Williams. I'm actually the auntie of Stephanie Hill, the owner of Poised Beauty and Beat Studio. Stephanie is the ultimate professional. The staff that she has here at Poised, they too are very professional women. They're enjoyable to be around. It's a lovely atmosphere of family and actually a lot of fun and laughter. And I think that you will enjoy the knowledge that Stephanie and her staff provides and the artistry. She's excellent with not just the style of the hair, but she's also professional in her knowledge of hair care, which is very important to me. And I think that the Columbia area deserves someone with Stephanie's personality and attitude towards excellence.
Hi, here at Poised Beauty Salon, we offer a variety of services. Box braids, natural updos, crochet styles, whatever your need is, we have it here. Definitely come in and reinvent yourself and try something new. Step outside the box.
Hello, I'm the makeup artist for Poised Beauty and Beat Studio. We can come get professional makeup done, also great services with hair. I love this shop and I came to this shop for great spirit, welcoming, and also to learn more to better my craft. I think everyone should come out and enjoy a great special time with your hair and your makeup and enjoy the fun atmosphere.
Hi guys, my name is Stephanie Hill and I am the owner of Poised Beauty and Beat Studio here in Columbia, South Carolina, located off of Broad River Road. Here at Poised Beauty, we offer a range of professional hair care services, from healthy hair styling. We do commercial installs. We also do natural hair, and we do makeup here. This is an environment where you can come and reinvent yourself. You come here and you can get ready for any event. We provide hair and makeup services for special occasions of all kinds, from proms to weddings to ladies' night out, or even for the professional woman. So when you're feeling like you want to change your look, you come to Poised Beauty and Beat Studio.